Hey Capricorn, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Capricorn. Alright, what's going on with my Capricorn? September. Bottom of the deck, I have the Nine of Wands reversed. So I'm seeing that somebody made a decision. Okay, but they're back and forth with a decision. See what I'm saying? I need them to get this together. And basically, it's semi-landed on love yourself first. This is what I'm saying. It's like they make a decision on their own as far as like what they want with you, how they want to do this. But then somebody gets in their ear. And this is why they have trouble sticking to that decision. We don't have time for this. Okay. Let's see. We're going to see how this goes. Okay. So they keep going back and forth with the decision. I told you they want to turn things around with you. This person wants to work it out, but they don't have a peace of mind. Maybe when it comes to their money. For some of you, they could be feeling stuck in a situation due to some type of like financial bind. Yep, look at, they're stuck in a codependent situation. I told you. Here we go again. You see? Ugh. Oh, Jesus. Let's see. Give me a headache. All right, some of you could be dealing with a Taurus. For some of you, maybe they're in some type of codependent relationship or a marriage. Maybe they're saying they want to marry you, you know. It's like, they got to make some decisions. They're giving me a headache already. This is giving me a headache. Okay. Whatever this codependent situation is that they're currently in, they're trying to basically get away from it. This person's trying to break free because they want that new beginning with you. Look, I told you. They want a new beginning with you. They want to turn things around. But see, they have to, I told you, they have to remove themselves out of a third-party situation. See, they have to put an end to it. Maybe for some of you, this person is going through a spiritual awakening. Could be going through some type of transformation. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I do feel like when it comes to you, you guys are just, they know you're moving on. You're just focusing on yourself. You ain't worried about it. See, Capricorn, you could be dealing with another Capricorn. This could be saying that maybe this person is dealing with a codependent man. It could be a woman. All they want from them is money. Whether it's friends, family, or love interest, you know, and they have to get away from this person. Because they want happiness with you. So it's like they're coming out of being frustrated by putting an end to this person. See, they don't want to, I feel like they don't want to build with the person or be with the individual or whatever the situation is. It's like they're over it. When it comes to you, they're afraid that you don't want to build with them though. See, they're not content with how things played out, but I do feel like they're not content with their finances. And it's like until they can get out of this situation, this is why there's little to no communication. I feel like this is fear too. They're afraid of what you're going to say. See, it's a lot of money. This, you see what I'm saying? There's something with money going on, you know, and maybe they're afraid of their, you know, financial stability. And I'm saying that they do want to balance things out with you. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but see, they can't move forward with you just yet until they finish out some type of karmic cycle with someone else. See, I told you they got to cut something or someone off. But they're worried. Why? The King and the Queen of Swords. So I feel like they're afraid that you're going to cut them off for good, right? So this is definitely some type of soulmate connection that I'm picking up on. See, yeah. Because they didn't do right by you. They didn't balance things out because of the see, I have 2 6s. This is some type of family situation. So this could be family that has been blocking you and this person from moving forward. They could have a family with someone else, you know, and they're needing to cut this person out. Could be dealing with a Gemini. Yeah, I feel like this person, they've been moving slow in the past to get away from this person, get out of this situation. But it's like they're knowing they're going to have to move fast, you know, if they want things to improve. So it's like they're listening to their intuition because they want to speak their truth and give you the offer that you deserve, and that's their final decision. So somebody could be dealing with a Pisces here, could be dealing with a Leo. It's like they don't have the strength to do it right now because I'm telling you, they're trying to get out of this situation that they're in. See, they're realizing by thinking about what took place in the past that, yes, they want to work things out with you, but I feel like they're kind of kicking themselves. Why did I say this? Or why did I do this to him or her? See, that's why they're not putting in the work. It's some type of family or home situation they're trying to balance out first before they come in and give you this offer. See, they're having a hard time. They're having a hard time right now. But they're trying their best to move on and not look back. But see, they're still back and forth. Look, I'm telling you. Somebody's in some type of home or family situation and they got to get out of it. Lord, what is going on today? See, they want this home life, this family life with you. And I feel like they're going to move really fast, right? Because they don't want you to walk away from them. But the thing is, they're frustrated because it could be about their money. But I am saying they had you waiting around on them. And it's like this person, whether it's like a love interest or family, I feel like they do a lot for this other person or these other individuals, you know, and this could be why I'm seeing a lot of emphasis on money. And so it's like, okay, I'm the person that has to help pay bills, or I'm the person that helps to, you know, make sure someone has groceries or X, Y, and Z. And it's like, I can't really right now get out of the situation. I need to figure out what I need to do to get out, but I also regret, you know, basically having you wait. I'm regretting the things that I've said, the things that I've done. You know, it's like they're doing a lot of soul searching. You know, they're just, this was a lesson. Could be dealing with a Virgo. They want to, oh, y'all, what? I feel like the card, I'm trying to shuffle the cards. I feel them being pushed out of my hands, and I just heard keep it. So, Lord, let's see. That's what we doing today. Okay, let's do this again. So, they're going to have the confidence to come towards you, but right now, they left you out in the cold. And I feel like this is what worries them. Could be dealing with an Aquarius, but it's like this person's losing hope because they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. They're afraid that things may not improve. They're afraid that the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. And this is why they're not taking a leap, because they're not listening to their intuition. But I'm seeing that they will have the confidence to eventually come towards you. But they got to make a decision. And they're afraid that you're not going to take this offer. Maybe because this person had other options in the past. Yep, see, somebody was being sneaky. They were definitely being sneaky. Started a lot of conflict, a lot of drama. Now they're in their head about what to do. Because, see, they're going through, it's like you're getting karmic justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Now they're trying to figure out what to do. Because, see, they over here manifesting you. They're trying to stay positive. They want to be with you. But, oh, Lord. It's like this person is coming out of feeling sad, but at the same time, okay, this isn't for everybody. So, somebody is going through a legal situation. There's going to be some type of battle in court. And I feel like whoever they're going to court, you know, with, whether it's like, I mean, it could be, it's a lot. Let me just leave it there. Whatever they're going to court for, right? The other person, they're sneaky, you know, and I feel like this person's going to try to lie. They're going to try to do whatever they can to get a lot of money out of this person. And this is why I feel like this person stayed in a situation for so long, because I'm telling you, they did take a hit financially. See, I told you, they're wanting to make sure their money is okay. And that's why they're not talking to you. It's like, I feel like some of you guys, in their own weird way, they're trying to protect you because this is about to get ugly. This is getting ready to get ugly. Okay. So, this person's afraid that they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. Could be dealing with an Aries. Because, yeah, they're worried about their stability, you know, and they got to make a decision. I'm telling you, there's something going on with this person. This could be either a legal situation or some type of contract, but it's like, I'm telling you, financially speaking, they feel like they don't have it together right now. you know, and they didn't do right by you. And see, they stabbed you in the back, and this is why they're keeping quiet. This person doesn't talk. They don't talk. They don't open up. Yeah, y'all are definitely like soulmates. Y'all definitely have a connection here, and they're afraid that you're not going to open up and talk to them when they come, you know, they want to reach out. And at this point, it's like they're afraid they're not going to have a victory, but they're coming out of being frustrated. But see, right now, they still feel stuck in a situation. But they know that they were being immature and childish. Could have been dealing with a Cancer. This person definitely wants to move forward with you. They want to give you the offer that you deserve. See, the offer is love. This person, they want a commitment with you, hands down. They want it. They want to heal your broken heart. But there's some type of mother figure that's blocking. Mother or a mother figure. This is the problem. I told y'all, this person, they want to come towards you, but told y'all from jump, there's somebody still in their ear. It's like they can't move forward. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Ace of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that you will receive an offer that you deserve, Capricorn. You're going to get your offer. But see, you're frustrated. It's like you're trying not to be frustrated the way it came out, but because there was some hesitation, you still are. Because it's like you're waiting around. But you guys know what you have to do. And you're moving forward. Even if you take it day by day, you're moving forward. See, I told you, you're coming out of being frustrated about the situation. And it's like you're listening to your intuition, okay? Yep, I told you. You guys are no longer in your head about it. You're like, you know what? I love him or her. I wanted this to work, but F that. You know, look, they're dragging their feet. This other individual, they're taking too long. Okay. Yep. It's like you didn't want to walk away from them, but they forced your hand. See? You guys are focusing on yourself. You're focusing on your, you know, your money. You're focusing on your career. You're focusing on your health. You guys are healing. Why? Because there's still somebody else here. You guys are like, I can't. I'm not dealing with this. See? There's your card. I'm telling you. There's some fear here. I do feel like you have. Let's see. Why? Oh, Lord. Hold on. Put this down. There's some fear because you're afraid that they're saying you're not confident that you're going to have a victory with this person, right? That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.